Ọmalịcha. That is the most beautiful. Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwenu, Igbo ka Igbo kwezoro, iyo. Welcome back to my channel. I am Neche, and in today's episode we're going to be treating sweet names for your hubby, your wife, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. So chill, get a seat and sit down, get your drink. Let's dive into the video. So let's deal with the men first. Odogwu. If you never hear this one, you know, be Igbo. Odogwu. 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 That is my hero. My hero. When you call your husband or your boyfriend this one, and so money go dey come out for the pocket, like you go dey spend. You no go finish you, and so money you go dey spend on top you, like God. Odogwu, my hero. Igwem, 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 my king. My king. By using this one on your husband, then you're telling him that, baby, you are above me. Like I know you are above me. Like your husband will just be feeling your swag. You understand what I mean? Igwem, Igwem, my king. Obim, 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 my heart. Obim, my heart. You're telling your husband or your boyfriend that, baby, now only you get my heart. Like you don't tip him, nobody again. Like now you own this heart. You can. Okay, Oma, okay, Oma, okay, Oma, okay, Oma, good man. That is good man. Nobi. Odim Nobi. Odim Nobi. The one in my heart, the one in my soul. Like baby, baby. Now you dey inside this heart, nothing else. Like this one hyping, don't they hype your husband? Maybe you want something, or you just they feel like hype him. So in head, like in head, in cap fit here, cause in head it go burst, it go big. You get eku eme, eku eme. Get it? Follow me. Eku eme. That is the one that does what he says, the one that does as he says. Like button, like this one don't touch the moon button if you don't know. If you remember, if you know this Christian song, Eku Eku Eme, Eku Eme, Eku Eme, Eku Eme, you are the living God. Is there no one like you? You are the living God. Is there no one like you? When you know this song, you understand the meaning of this thing I'm telling you. Like you're telling your husband, like nobody else. Now only you. They talk, they do as if they talk. He came, he came, he came, he came. My strength, my strength. Babe, I'm nothing without you. This one, this one's sweet. I'm nothing without you. Like you're my strength. So that is that for the men, for the hobbies and boyfriend and all that. So asa mpete, asa mpete, asa mpete. This is beautiful woman. This used to refer to beautiful ladies in Igbo land. Like when they call you Asam Pete, your step will change. Like that your shakara. Just in a lecture, in a goli you get. If we are, oh God, this one I need you people to be understanding, like to be discussing these names. Asa Mpete. When person call, just the shakara they go. The shakara dey go. Omalicha, omalicha, omalicha. That is the most beautiful. Babe, your beauty is getting me crazy. Omalicha, do you know this song by Kola Boy? Omalicha nwa madima biatie mobi. Omalicha nwa madima biatie mobi. Tan tan tan. Omalicha nwa madima biatie mobi. Omalicha nwa madima biatie mobi. Like the way this song, I feel they sing, they go. If you leave me, I just forget what they do. Like I so much love Igbo song, and they give me that highness. Ifunanyam, 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 Ifunanyam. That is my love. This one you can be used for both men and women. Ifunanyam, that is my love. All this my love, where they hear up and down. My love is Ifunanyam. Akwa ugo, akwa ugo, akwa ugo, akwa ugo. If you know what is akwa, is egg, then ugo is ego, is a bird, and is seen. Igbos, we see this particular eagle as very beautiful. Then imagine when you are the egg of an eagle, like you're so precious. Babe, you're not just beautiful, like you are precious. Like, you know, as they carry egg, now so they carry, they don't want you to break, you get, you're so precious. Akugo wama, iya e akugo wama, iya e akugo wama, iya e. Igbo is very sweet. Please just tell me if you enjoy this one, okay? Akugo is precious egg of eagle. That's just so. The next is Ola Edo. Ola Edo. Ola Edo. Ola Edo. By the sound of this one, you should know. Ola Edo is gold. When your hubby or your boyfriend sees you as very expensive, like luxurious girl, luxurious wife, oh god, like when they just call you Oledo, know that they value you very well. You're so special. Oledo. Imagine gold now. You know how much they sell gold? I don't need to repeat this one. Oledo. So the next one is Ola Ocha. Ola Ocha. Ola Ocha. That is silver. So also a luxurious name in Igbo land. Mma. That is beauty. Beauty. Like, baby, you're very beautiful. It's being used to refer to beautiful ladies in Igbo. So guys, we've come to the end of today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned a lot of things. You cannot tell me nothing. You can't tell me that you didn't learn anything. So please, if you are yet to subscribe, please do that. Click that subscribe button down there and give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.